In front of me is NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, open Messages app and select or create a chat. Wherever you decided when you're ready to create an audio file and add it instantly, click on this icon at the bottom right corner. Then click on microphone 1 and start recording. Tap on attach to add it right away, restart to start over, or use the same button. If you do, you'll be able to listen to it before attaching it here. If you want to add recording that's already on your smartphone, use this plus icon instead on the left. Hit Files, tap on Audio at the top, and pick one of those. You can also look for your audio file by clicking on one of those apps, or what most people miss, by choosing those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, click on your file. Now, to add a video one, you can either create it by clicking on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner, tapping on those two arrows at the top right corner of camera section, switching to video, picking your camera, and recording. The moment you are done, your recording will be automatically added. To add one that's already on your smartphone, just click on it here. Or if you can't find it, tap on Folders, look for it, and tap on it to add it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!